You need to watch this if your Echo Dot won't respond, play music, or even turn on. Let's get your speaker working again. First, let's check the basics. Is your Echo Dot plugged in and is the power light on? If not, try a different outlet or use another power cable. Next, make sure your Wi-Fi is working. If other devices can't connect, restart your router. If your Echo Dot is on but silent, turn up the volume. You can do this by pressing the plus button on top. Still no luck? Try unplugging your Echo Dot. Wait for 10 seconds, then plug it back in. This quick restart solves many problems. If Alexa won't respond, make sure the microphone button isn't off. Look for a red light. If you see it, press the mic button to turn it back on. Lastly, check the Alexa app on your phone. Look for any error messages or update alerts. If there's an update, let it run and try again. If all else fails, reset your Echo Dot. Hold down the action button for about 20 seconds until the light ring turns orange. Then, set it up again in the app. And there you go. Most Echo Dot issues are easy to fix. Give these steps a try and enjoy your music, news, and more.